So you might have wondered why some people, when they are assembling a PC, whether it's a gaming PC or a regular PC, are wearing gloves. And I learned this myself the hard way, even though I actually knew that you should be actually wearing gloves, and maybe like even special type of gloves when you are handling all of these sharp materials. And the thing is like some of these materials, and especially like the fans and coolers, etc., they can be really as sharp as a knife. And I learned this the hard way. I injured myself several times, but I'm used to it. But basically, it's better for you to wear gloves when you're assembling a PC.